The two random variables x and y have the mean value x bar is equal to 1, y bar is equal to 1. The variance sigma x square is equal to 4, sigma y square is equal to 2. The correlation coefficient rho xy is equal to 0.2. Now define two new random variables v is equal to minus x minus y, w is equal to 2x plus y. Find the correlation of V and W and correlation coefficient rho VW. Okay. How do you do this problem? Okay, first step is you have to find out the correlation of V and W. What is the formula of correlation? The correlation is given by RVW, yes or no? RVW is expected value of VW. Correlation is given as RVW. It is equal to expected value of VW. So it is expected value of what is V now? V is given as minus x minus y and W is given as 2x plus y. Okay. So this is V and this is the W. Now just multiply these two terms. We get minus 2x square minus xy. Okay. Minus 2xy minus y square will be getting. So this can be written as expected value of minus 2x square, okay, minus xy minus 2xy. So it is minus 3xy minus y square we got. So it is equal to, okay, it is equal to minus 2 expected value of x square minus 3 expected value of xy minus expected value of y square. Okay. Now we have to find out what is expected value of x square. How do you find out expected value of x square? Any idea? Expected value of x square. How do you find out? What is variance formula, students? Do you remember what is variance formula? What is variance formula? Variance formula is expected value of x square minus x bar square. Okay. Now from this you find out what is expected value of x square. Expected value of x square is sigma x square plus x bar square. What is the variance given in the problem? It is 4 plus 1 square. It is equal to 5. 4 plus 1 square it is equal to 5. Similarly, expected value of y square. How do you find out expected value of y square? The expected value of y square is sigma y square plus y bar square. Okay. Sigma y square is 2 plus 1. So it is equal to 3. Now how do you find out expected value of xy? How do you find out expected value of xy? Expected value of xy. Expected value of xy can be obtained from Cxy. What is Cxy? Is equal to Rxy minus x bar y bar. Yes or no? So it is equal to expected value of xy minus x bar y bar. Okay. Now from this we can find out expected value of xy. What is expected value of xy now? Cxy plus x bar y bar. But you have to find out what is Cxy. How do you find out Cxy? So you know that what is the correlation coefficient? Rho is equal to Cxy by sigma x sigma y. Yes or no? Cxy by sigma x sigma y. So what is Cxy now? Cxy is equal to rho into square root of variances. Sigma x sigma y you don't know. The variance we know. Sigma x square sigma y square. Okay. So rho value is given. Rho value is given as 0.2. Square root of the variance is 4 to 8. So square root of 8. So find out Cxy. What is Cxy? What is Cxy? It is 0.2828. Have you got the same thing? Substitute Cxy, find out E of xy now. Substitute Cxy, find out E of xy. E of xy is equal to 1 point. It is equal to 1.2828. E of xy is 1.2828. Okay. Now substitute all these values. From this, what have we got? We got expected value of x square. Expected value of x square is 5. Expected value of y square is equal to 3. And we also got expected value of xy. What is expected value of xy is 1.2828. Okay. We also got what is cxy. Cxy is equal to what? 0.2828. Now substitute all these values here in this problem. Substitute all these values. So it is minus 2 into 5, minus 3 into 1.2828 minus 3. So what is the answer you will be getting? The answer is minus 16.8484. Please check your answer, all of you. Check your answer, 16.8484. Okay. So like that we can find out the correlation between V and W. Now we have to find out what is the correlation coefficient between V and W. What is the correlation coefficient? Rho V W, the second step, is given as the correlation coefficient CVW by, okay, sigma V, sigma W. Sigma V, sigma W. Okay. Now what is CVW? So I am finding out sigma V square. You know what is sigma V square? It is expected value of V minus V bar square is V square. Similarly, sigma W square, that is variance. It is expected value of W minus W bar square. Okay, so just substitute V. What is V? It is minus x minus y. Substitute that. So V is equal to minus x minus y minus x minus y bar. Okay, so what is that we'll be getting? Minus expected value of minus x minus y minus x plus no plus x bar minus plus again plus y. Okay, so this can be written as, so take minus common here. If you take minus common, we will be getting x minus x bar minus y minus 1. So it is minus expected value of x minus x bar. Square, no? Square is there. Square. The square of this. Okay. Square, whole square. We have square here, students. Square. Here also y minus y bar square whole square. Okay. Just expand this now. If you expand, this is expected value of x minus x bar whole square. Okay, and here also plus y minus y bar whole square plus Since you take minus outside, then we get minus here. So it is plus 2x minus x bar y minus y. Okay. So what is this? So it is equal to, right here, it is equal to minus expected value of x minus x bar square in the mark. X minus x bar square is sigma x square. Y minus y bar square is sigma y square plus 2. What is this value? Expected value of x minus x bar, y minus y bar is cxy. Okay. Similarly, tell me what is sigma, that is variance of omega. What is variance of omega? What is variance of omega is? The same procedure you have to follow to find out variance of omega. Okay. So this is variance of B. Variance of omega square is equal to variance of omega square is equal to expected value of what is omega? 2x plus y minus 2x plus y whole power square. Okay. So it is expected value of 2x plus y minus 2x bar minus y bar whole square. Okay. Then combine x terms and y terms here is 2x minus x bar plus y minus y bar whole square. So it is, expand this, it can be written as expected value of 4x minus x bar square plus y minus y bar square plus 4x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Okay. Now what is this? It is 4 sigma x square plus sigma y square plus 4 cxy. Cxy just now we found out what is Cxy. Cxy we got it as 0.2828. Okay, sigma x square, sigma y square values are given in the problem. Find out what is rho, sigma v and sigma w. Okay, and then we have to find out CVW. To find out CVW, what is CVW? Now tell me what is sigma variance. What is the variance of B? You got 6.5656. Variance of B is this value 6.5656. What is the variance of this one? Just substitute and tell me what is the variance you got. Substitute the values and tell me what is the variance you got. Variance of W. Variance of W, how much you got? Students, tell me what is the value you got. Variance of W is 19.1312. Okay. So these values we just note down somewhere. Sigma B square value is 6.5656. Sigma W square is 19.1312. Okay. Now we got denominators. Now we have to find out the numerator. What is the numerator? CVW. What is CVW? CVW can be written as RVW minus V bar W bar. RVW minus V bar W bar. So find out V bar. Find out V bar now. Expected value of V. So what is V? What is V here? Substitute V. So it is minus expected value of x is nothing but what? Expected value of y is y bar. Okay. Expected value of x is given as 1, y is also given as 2, so it is equal to minus 2. So v bar is equal to minus 2. Similarly, find out w bar. What is W? It is 2x plus y. Tell me what is the value you get now. 2x plus y. Tell me what is the value you get. So it is equal to 3. So it is 2x bar plus y bar. So 2 into 1 plus 1. So it is equal to 3. W bar is 3. Now, RVW. In the previous problem, we have in the previous step, we already found what is RVW. Tell me what is RVW? In the previous case, we found what is RVW number. What is RVW you got? The previous step, we found what
minus
minus
16.8.
16.8.
minus 16.844. So it is minus 16.8484. Okay. Now substitute all these values, find out CVW. Minus 16.8484. Okay. Minus V bar W bar. What is the value you get now? Students, what is the value? So it is minus 10.8484. Yes or no? So substitute all this. It is minus 10.8484 divided by square root of 6.5656 into 19.1312. Tell me what is the answer you are getting? What is correlation coefficient between V and W? What is the answer? The answer is minus 0.9678. Okay. So this is the procedure you have to follow to find out the correlation between two new random variables and correlation coefficient between two new random variables with the mean and variance and correlation of the given random variables. Okay.